Hi guys, it's me again, Jacques Patubo. Now, of Eclations, kanina it was Craft and Cuddles, and as promised, I'm gonna be uploading a more formal close-up look of what's inside my planner kit. Honestly, I haven't thought of a name yet, and I haven't thought of the final pricing yet, but I do know that it's gonna be for sale. There will be 18 pieces. It's just a trial product. We'll see how it goes. Hi, here it is, and I'm gonna shift the camera view so you can see what's inside. Sing video. Sorry if it's a bit shaky. I'm not in my usual area. I'm actually on top of the bed. So I'll just try to show you what's inside. So it's a simple packaging. The kit will come in a simple white box. Like that. There. So here's what's inside. This is a tin can. Limited edition. The succeeding kits will not have this one. This is just something I got passing through one of the malls. And inside is a die cut. There. And then it has a notebook. See, the mermaid is gold foiled, matte. And this is a lined notebook. Pretty small. I think this is something around 3 by 4 inches. And then this one's a glitter journal. The insides are clear craft, blank craft pages. I got this from 11 Fingered Crafter. Thank you. And then the kit will also have stickers. So this will be packaged in a sealed plastic, but for now I'm showing you this outside of the plastic so you can see the design. So here, and this will be for your planners in some strips, sticker strips. This is glossy. These are glossy stickers, and it doesn't turn yellow. It's acid free. So I like this paper so much, although it's a bit thinner than the ones I used to use before. And this will be my cardstocks. Ta-da! Double-sided, half A4 sized cardstocks. Oh no! Cardstock. And now I'll show you what's inside the organza pouch. This is the organza pouch with a lot of handmade items inside. Here, so here you'll get a post-it, gradient post-it, a pen. This is actually gel pen, so it depends on the planner that you will use. But I like the ink very much. It's a bit, I think, 0.5 or a bit thicker, 0.7. I like the glitters. Gives you that mermaidy effect. And then I've got some flower swags, handmade. See, these are roses, and they're using Velcro at the back, so you can use it. You can stick it sa mga. You can stick it in the bags of your tea-ins. Use it for your flat lace. This one's a paperclip bookmark. Mermaid scales. This one's a mermaid tail. Yeah, it's a charm. You can hook it on your tea-in bands or in the spring or rings of your planners. And then glitter washi. Some of the items will come in random color. For example, the glitter washi will come in either dark pink or dark blue. The notebooks will come in either rose, glitter blue, or violet colors. The gradient will come in shades of purple, pink, or green, I think, or blue. And then this one may have different designs. This one will come in either purple like this or pink. And then this one will be as this. So that's pretty much about it. I hope you had fun seeing through my kit, and do let me know what you think. Okay, I'm open for improvements and your suggestions